Today's lighting is superb because I didn't have to switch on those artificial lights and it is broad daylight, still not sweating, so I'm really happy and glad about it. So today's video is going to be all about some products which I happen to pick up from Instagram, as well as few odd products from random websites. So basically it's not a very huge and humongous haul, but this haul I would say has a lot of different variety of products. So without rambling too much, let's get started and know these interesting products, and I will let you know have I started using them or not. So let's get started. So first up, I have a product which I have used it today for the first time because I did receive this product yesterday evening. Is the Calabar Stunning Brow Pencil in the shade Chestnut. I guess so. Yeah, it is Chestnut. This product I wanted to buy like 2.5-3 years back also, but I did not buy it just because, just like that. And it is a long pending product in my wish list, so I was like, let me just grab it because I need something like this, and I am lacking brow products. I'm really sticking around with my oldies and I want to try some more new products. So yes, this is something new. So this is the Calabar Chestnut Brow Pencil. I have used it today. I really like the formula on this one. Pretty good, as in I feel I like Faces Canada, but a lot of you would like this one because it is pigmented, but it is not extremely pigmented. But why do I feel in the camera that this brow is less filled? Maybe because of the sunlight directly falling on this side of my face, that is why. So if you feel there is something wrong with the brows, there's no, it's just the sunlight, the way it falls on my face. So yes, this is my first purchase. I have used it already today. I liked it. First impressions, I really like the product. Moving on to two hair care products. Now, if you have been following me, you know I'm a big sucker for shampoos which are naturally made, and I have been enjoying them. But since I was traveling, I wanted to get something new, so I did pick up them for the travel purpose. So these are the L'Oreal Paris Dream Length Restoring Shampoo. I happened to see this shampoo on Instagram on somebody's story, and I was like, is it a real L'Oreal shampoo? Because I'm telling you, the packaging is not great. It doesn't look as if L'Oreal packed this shampoo. So a little sort of flimsy packaging here. I just didn't like the color, or maybe the plastic. I don't know, so there's something off about this shampoo. But I've already used it. I really like the shampoo for my hair, and I want to shift from natural shampoos to normal shampoos as well. The reason being, your hair, your skin and your body should be adaptive. It should not be restricted on certain kind of products, or else life gets really difficult. So I like to keep myself like that. So I wanted to get back to my normal shampoos as well in between. So I got this one. And with this I got the conditioner, the L'Oreal Paris 6 Oil Nourishing Conditioner. Reason being, I have never felt the same shampoo and the conditioner goes well with my kind of hair. So I always like to pick up a shampoo of another variant, mix it with another variant. So the conditioner I picked up plainly because I am using their Extraordinary Hair Serum Oil, my favorite. So I thought conditioner would be really good as well because it is going to do the final step for my hair. So yes, both the products are good. This conditioner though, I have already finished one bottle. This is the newest one which I got ready yesterday night itself because I really wanted this back. So yes, these are the two new products in my hair care routine. Do let me know if you want to know more about these shampoos and conditioner, but as a first impression or the number of times I have used them together, I have absolutely loved it for my hair. So in this basket of makeup and skincare, I'm just getting a little confused because, as I said in the intro of my video, the basket is filled with some different products which you have hardly seen on my channel, I feel so. Okay, only one product you have seen it on my channel like a million times. That also I'll show you. Okay, so the next thing which I happen to pick up is the Mamaearth Bye Bye Dark Circle Eye Cream with cucumber and peptides. I have used the cucumber and coffee one. I absolutely loved it for my kind of eye. Dusra, I want to make a video on top 10 eye creams because I think I'm the person who has used a lot of eye creams from different brands and absolutely loved a lot of them. every eye cream is different from another one as per my experience, and they do a lot for your under eyes. So this one caught my eye when I went to a normal store, departmental store. Basically उस store में मैं सिर्फ धागा खरीदने गई थी, black धागा जो बच्चों को बांधते हैं, and I happened to see this under eye cream and I was like, ये भी ले लेते हैं. So basically shopping करने गए थे हम 500 रुपए की, but 50 रुपए की I ended up spending 1100. I'll show you why. So this is first thing which I picked up. Again, I have not used it, so I cannot say it is still sealed, packed, intact. I will soon use it and let you know. It's just that I was just waiting for this haul to happen. Next up, a complete repurchase, and I'm obsessed with this one again, is by Lakme Absolute Argan All Radiance Night Revival Eye Cream. If you are confused with any eye cream in your in your reach and you're confused which one to buy, just don't think too much, buy this one, because agar ye maine repurchase ki hai, that means it has absolutely worked wonderful. The reason of me loving this eye cream so much is that this is one eye cream without an expectation. It just gives me everything. Depuffing, tired eyes, it removes it. I work so much. I get up early in the morning at 6:30. I straight up sleep in the night. Afternoon naps are like not so nappy for me, but this under eye has really kept my under eyes, even my eye area, brightened up and well done. So for my kind of age and the aging process, an eye cream is a must for me. And if you also want to introduce an eye cream, the Lakme has done an amazing job here. So get one for yourself. Don't be confused on this one, because this may not fix your wrinkles or fine lines, but it will definitely start working on your other issues under eye. And I have seen that it reduces your dark circles as well if you use it every day, twice, constantly. Give a little extra time, you will definitely see some changes. Moving on to another product, something new again. Though this brand made it to my best of 2020, but it's just that it's not brand's fault. It's just certain products just don't hit to your best list. That's how it is. So they came out with 2 serums, and I was looking into these kind of serums, and I felt this brand I can go in, and the reviews were pretty good on Instagram. I do follow Instagram for certain reviews because I feel the written reviews, when you read them, you should read them. I always insist, read the reviews, just don't go by the video. Read the reviews because you gain a lot of knowledge, and sometimes things which are not said in a video are written in the reviews, so read them. So I happened to get these 2 serums by Dr. Said, the Scintilla and Niacinamide serum. Not used it. I will be using it. This serum I bought just before my traveling, so this video is definitely going when I come back from my traveling, because I have few videos lined up. So ये filming मैं जाने से ठीक 1 दिन पहले कर रही हूँ. So just for your information, so it is brand new. I will be taking it with me, and I will be using during my travel time, so that I get at least 3 weeks with the product and know it better. And these kind of products need more attention also and a dedication. So yes, this is something new. This will retail you for 649 rupees, and you get a lot of product. And I paid 30% less on both the products because they had an amazing offer. That is also one reason I was very quick picking up them, and they come with the dropper as well. So very interesting box, and I really like the packaging for the first time in Dr. Said, because I'm not a big fan on their packaging. Saying that not big fan on their packaging doesn't mean I do not like their products. I do like their under eye cream, which I have used in the past, and I really liked it. But there are certain products just didn't go well with me. Moving on to another one. Again, this is the Amla, I think vitamin C 20 serum with a 20% serum, and it has a lot of other things. Again, this was for 999 rupees, and you get 20 ml of product, sorry. So again, this was on 30% off, so dono ka bill was coming more than 1600-1700, I guess so, and I paid 1153 rupees precisely. So yes, it was a steal deal, and these serums are going to last me for ages. So yes, something again new, same kind of packaging. Let me just open you and quickly show you how it looks. So this is how the bottle would come. I really like the packaging on these. And yes, again I did went through the Instagram reviews on this product and I happened to get it. Being a content creator, if I have to buy a product, I myself also read a lot of reviews, do watch a lot of videos, but more than videos I rely on written reviews a lot, because I feel they are very much thought well and well experienced reviews are written. And sometimes yes, you can just be fooled also. You have to be watchful whose review you're reading, but you should always read reviews. Moving on to some makeup now. The skincare part is done and a lot of other things I showed you. Now these products I happen to get from Instagram pages, and there are a lot of other products which I'm awaiting. So in the month, basically when my in-laws would come, they will get few Colourpop and some other stuff for me which I have ordered. And there are some Instagram makeup also which is pending, which will reach to me I don't know when. So whenever everything would come now, I'll do one haul video. So abhi jo mila hai, let me show you that. So I went ahead and bought few brushes. There's no end to brushes. Yes, you know it. I just love brushes and I always have to have backup. I feel a little insecure about my brushes. I just don't know. So I ordered a one set of brush which was not available, went out of stock. So the Crimson Luxe lady told me, ma'am, can I send you these two sets instead of that one? So I was like, okay, not an issue till the time I'm getting good brushes. So this was the first set which she gave me, and this is the 3 mini size brushes. The reason of me approving on these brushes were, firstly I read the reviews on BH Cosmetic. People were really happy with them, and dusra, all the 3 brushes are functional, and chautha, that you can travel with these. So you just have to put this pouch and you are done for your eyes and your face. So just travel with these 3 brushes, because dono brushes थोड़े fluffy हैं, थोड़ा dense भी हैं, and they have given you more of a one flat fluffy brush for your eyes as well. But I generally do not carry eye brushes for my traveling. I just carry one. So yes, this brush set is being bought for travel purpose. So I've still not used it. Let me see what I'm going to do with it. Let's move on to another BH Cosmetic brush set, and my eyeshadows are dripping here and there because there are some mishaps which has happened. Okay, next up I got this set by BH Cosmetic. Now iski price $23 or $25 thi, which was in sale. It was for only $11. So always I say check out BH Cosmetic, please girls, you will be saving a lot. Okay, so I paid only like $1,200 for both the sets. Yeah, and this is how it will come. It will come in its own pouch. I like the pouch as well. I already have one set by them. I'm already using one set by, actually 2 sets by them I'm already using. And let me open it and show you these stunning brushes. So this is how the brushes would come in a nice pouch. And I have not opened the brush yet. So this is how the brushes are. So you get face brushes, some eye brushes, a lot of brushes. So we're gonna keep this inside. Now I have not thought what I'm gonna do with this, because ye brushes lene ka purpose was not exactly for me. I bought this brushes for a giveaway, which I don't know when it is happening. Reason being, I don't do giveaways, guys, unknowingly, because I have to plan a lot. Secondly, I don't want your gifts to be stuck with me. So I really plan well before doing a giveaway, that I do a giveaway, I announce the winner, and the stuff which you were supposed to receive it, you receive it on time. So I think this set is going into a giveaway. I'm not going to open it, so I just packed it back again. So yes, so look out for Instagram as well as YouTube. You may just find a giveaway popping up. Why do I tell you all this? So that firstly you be active, don't miss out in between, because it's very difficult to remember people also. But I know my subscribers really well. I remember everybody's name. People who actually leave a comment really mean a lot. So whenever you're watching a video, even if you don't like it, mention it. If you feel that I can correct something, I'm all welcomed about those thoughts also, so do it. Please do not use abusive language. That I will not accept. Even do not shame me and my work. I do respect my work. You have to respect my work. So those comments I'm not going to approve. I'm just telling you very clearly. And do not do it on any other content creators page as well. A lot of hard work goes in making one video. Okay, moving on to another makeup product. I think this video is more of a haul cum gyan video. Okay, next one, I got a ColourPop, these 5-pan eyeshadow palettes, which were really intriguing, I must say. I have ordered 2 more, which will come when my in-laws would come. I ordered those palettes directly from ColourPop website. So I ordered 2. I thought, why not save some money here? And this palette is somewhat like this. Now, this shade was literally everywhere, but then completely fixed in back. And this is how the palette would come. You see these shades. Now when you see me and you see these shades, you totally relate with me. And the reason me getting this palette is that it has only 5 shades. Easy to travel, easy to work with. Yes, this is one reason. I do not own these kind of small palettes anymore with me, and ColourPop just launched it, and I felt in smaller palettes now this was the only version I liked it. Uske baad they have launched so many. I'm not a big fan of them, because yaha I'm getting 5 shadows for $10. There they are charging $12, $15 for 4 shadows. It's not making sense to me, but this one definitely I'm going to be using a lot. Moving on to another ColourPop palette. Again, something which I was really eyeing is the ColourPop Wild Child palette. The reason of me getting this one is very close to my Brown Sugar palette by ColourPop. Again, something I've used so much. So abhi I feel now I should just declutter a few palettes and add few more. So this is the Wild Child palette. इसमें एक ही गड़बड़ हो गई है कि this shadow was a little here and there, so I have to just press it back. I don't know how much it will sustain the pan, but अगर वो गिर भी गया तो I will not be crying over it, because I have that kind of a shimmer in many other palettes of mine. But all in all, it's a palette which speaks out to me. And अगर आप भी ये ले लोगे तो you will enjoy it. And I feel for Indian skin, for deeper skin, this is like a perfect palette. And these shadows will pop on. Yes, that is the main thing. These shadows are not those typical cool shades. Even the cooler shades have a lot of warmth going on. So yeah, something which I was eyeing and I got it recently. And moving on to the last eyeshadow palette and the last makeup product. And stay tuned to the last bit of the video, because I'm going to show you two neck pieces which my husband picked up for me. If you are not following me on my IG, then you don't know. So I'm going to be showing you here. This is another palette. This is the BH Cosmetic Naughty palette. Now, I got this palette in a good nice discount as well. This is a huge bulky palette. Now the reason of me getting this palette was not for me. I got this palette plainly for a giveaway. The only crunch factor here is when I received the palette, this purple you see was a little tampered. It was not out of the pan, it was little tampered. So now I'm confused, so please help me if I put this palette in the giveaway. You don't mind if you receive the palette without that purple, because मुझे ऐसा डर है अब कि by the time it reaches another person in a courier, this purple will completely come off. I don't know, I just feel it. So I'm just telling you in advance so that you should not be feeling, oh my god, she's giving us a damaged palette. That I'm not doing. I don't want to do that. So this I plainly got for a giveaway, because I feel this palette had everything, and I saw Antariksha also picking up this palette and she absolutely loved the color scheme. I was like, this can be a good pick. So yes, tell me, help me to decide. So this was the last makeup product which I happened to pick up. So that was all I had in makeup and skincare. Moving on to the last 2 things which my husband picked up for me when he was in Hyderabad for 5 days, I feel. Yeah, it's close to 5 days. So Hyderabad is known for pearls and crystals and these stone jewelries like the turquoise, the sapphire, the ruby, emerald and all. You want original, you get it in Hyderabad. You get it in many other cities, but Hyderabad could be more inexpensive because you get there the main stuff. So my husband got me 2 neck pieces. Ideally he was supposed to get only 1, and I told him precisely, do not buy anything more than 1, because I know it can get a little expensive and then it hits the budget. Yes, I'm a housewife, I'm a mother, I have to think all that as well. So this is how the first piece came. This is the pearl neck piece and got from Swati Jewelers, some jeweler. very well known. Secondly, he is government authorized and he can sell original pearls and stones. So this is how it is. Now Hyderabad me, you'll get a lot of stores like these, but you have to know that who is government authorized, and secondly they are certified or not, or else you will be sold an fake pearl and you'll be wondering, did I just pay so much for a fake pearl? So to be really sure where you are entering. So this is how the neck piece is. Such a stunning piece it is. Camera is not doing justice. You will see me wearing this piece as well in my neck. So this is how it is. It's a 3-layer one. When you open it, this is how it opens, and this pendant is made up of real oyster. So my kid was around me and I had to take him to the bathroom because I'm giving him potty training now, so no diapers. So I was talking about this interesting neck piece. Again, something well done. Initially when I saw the picture of this neck piece, I was not very keen on it and I said don't buy it. But I don't know, sometimes when you see things in photos or videos, you just don't like it. When you see it in person, you like the piece more. So I told him, you decide, whatever you like, I'm gonna like it. So he surprised me with this one. So yes, this is definitely something added to my expensive jewelry collection, because more than gold, my husband likes to give me jewelry which I can wear, and it's not gold because I do not wear gold jewelries. So something, you should buy something which you're gonna wear. Just do not buy because it is expensive, so why should I be not buying gold? Don't have that notion. And this piece had come with these very cute little earrings as well. So something which I don't see myself wearing, but yes, this was a complete one set. Moving on to another one which has a long story to it. So I first got blue sapphire, which you have already seen me wearing in my monthly favorites video. That was the first day I wore it and I filmed a video also. So he got a blue sapphire. Now me and my husband were not aware these stones work on our sunshines or zodiac signs, I would say, and you should not just be buying a stone like that. So he got me a blue sapphire. I wore it for a day and after that I was just feeling uneasy, unhealthy, like things were not good with me, and I just removed it and I kept it aside. After that a lot of things happened which I noticed and my husband also noticed, and few of my friends updated me, and a lot of you also came up to me and told me that you should not be even keeping it in your house. So we had to take it out ASAP. So we contacted the jeweler and he exchanged it for us, but the next piece which my husband picked up for me went a little over budget. I will talk about the other piece, but whenever you're buying jewelries or neck pieces or rings with stones, know about your stone, your zodiac signs which supports you, then buy. Just do not buy the product or the neck piece or the jewelry by the color of it. That was the whole point, where my husband just got the, like, it was looking very classy, very enriched and vintagey, so he got it for me, but didn't do much good things to my health as well. So keep that in mind. So after exchange he got me a lovely neck piece, which is this one. Now these are rubies. Now the first piece which he got, it was blue sapphire, which does not go well with Sagittarius, Cancerians and Scorpions, as much as I have read. And Sagittarius, maybe only that Sagittarius can wear blue sapphire who has a very shy nature, and मेरे nature में ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. So it was definitely contradicting to my nature and my personality. So we got ruby. The earlier one, the stones were not cut and refined. Those were the original, like, not so processed stones. This one is definitely cut and made into a certain shape, each stone. And there I got 2 layers. Here he got me additional layer. So this went a little over budget. We almost ended up paying double the amount for this one. This one is expensive than the pearl one. Pearl one is not that expensive, but still both of them are expensive. So this was another addition to my expensive jewelries. So yes, something worth, and this can be worn by Sagittarius. My first preference should be turquoise, second should be amethyst, and third should be ruby. But since he did not have turquoise, and turquoise is a very vibrant shade, just goes by the personality, I feel, but I cannot be wearing that. He didn't have turquoise, he didn't have amethyst as well. So we're like, we'll just take ruby, because ruby also I can wear it. It just controls my overthoughts and keep me calm and boosts the personality as well. So saying that, those are the two stunning pieces gifted to me by my husband, and that's the end of this interesting haul. And I really loved today's haul because it was more of a haul come chatty video. Do let me know, do you like watching these kind of hauls? So I will keep doing these kind of small mini hauls and do a lot of talking, because I love talking to you guys and I like to keep you updated whatever is going in my life, and I do that a lot on Instagram. So ये सारी स्टोरी मेरे Instagram followers को पहले से पता है, but अगर आप मेरे Instagram पे नहीं हो तो do follow me on my Instagram as well. All in all, these products I'm going to be using and letting you know, and if you have anything in your mind, do leave it down through your comments, and everything will be linked in my description from where I got my makeup products, as well as I will link the website to the jeweler as well if I can. Other than that, all is good. I really loved today's video. I will see you in my next video with some lip swatches, some makeup, some reviews. Consider subscribing, following me on my Instagram @Banzingi. You take care of yourself. I will see you in my next one. Ta-da!